Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Today I'm at Melbourne. I bought this totally used doll from Kmart. I'm going to open it and I'm going to read some facts first about her. Yeah. So her name is Mia. She likes music and dancing. I'm going to open her up and so you can see her. I opened her up and this is what she looks like. I'm going to tell you about her now. She has dark brown hair, and then she has a purple jacket, a purple skirt, multiple colored dress, and then she has star shoes with purple on it and then white underneath. Then her face color is like, I don't know what color her face color is. She also has a flower on top. And this is her all together. She has a beautiful face. She also has beautiful hair. She has a beautiful everything. She's all beautiful all together. I definitely recommend her. And you can buy it from Kmart. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye!